And another breakfast place in Myrtle Beach is Tupelo Honey at the Market Common.
What's happening, everybody? This morning we're at Tupelo Honey in beautiful Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Tupelo Honey has multiple locations, but this one right here is at 3042 Howard Avenue, Myrtle Beach. That's right in the heart of the Market Common. Many of our friends come here quite often, so we wanted to try out their breakfast menu. This business fosters a hometown feel through local art, local brews, and sourced ingredients. If you come for lunch or dinner, you can get scrumptious dishes and chef specialties, like the blackened mahi-mahi, grilled with Creole butter, and the smothered chicken that's honey dusted. And let's not forget the bourbon peppercorn glazed meatloaf, all with your choice of 2 farm fresh sides, and is considered one of the pioneers from the farm to table movement. This is an all-day menu of Southern comfort food with a creative twist. But like I said, we were here for breakfast and their delicious fresh brewed coffee. So let's see what's in store on the breakfast menu. I got the old school breakfast bowl with grits, eggs, and potatoes. And Bunny B decided to get the Southwestern omelet. But with an all-day menu that includes craft beers and cocktails, there's always room for mimosas.
And look what they have, one of my favorites.
They have happy hour specials Monday through Friday from 4 to 6 p.m. And with their spacious outside seating, there's lots of room. And free parking in the lot behind the restaurant. So try out the Tupelo Honey Café on your next visit to Myrtle Beach. If you want to stay current with Myrtle or the surrounding beaches, make sure you're subscribed to our channel so you can keep beaching.